Welcome to our video on mastering option trading strategies, where we will unleash the profit potential of this dynamic investment tool. Option trading allows investors to capitalize on market volatility and maximize returns. With options, you have the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a stock at a predetermined price within a specific time frame. One popular strategy is the covered call. This involves selling call options on stocks you already own, generating income while potentially profiting from upward price movement. Another strategy is the protective put, which involves purchasing put options to protect your stock investments in case prices decline. This strategy provides downside protection while still allowing for potential gains. If you anticipate a significant move in a stock's price, you might consider using the long straddle strategy. This involves buying both a call and a put option on the same stock with the same strike price and expiration date. It allows you to profit from big price swings in either direction. Lastly, the iron condor strategy is an advanced technique that involves simultaneously selling an out-of-the-money call spread and an out-of-the-money put spread. This strategy benefits from a stable market environment and limited price fluctuations. The world of option trading offers endless possibilities for profit and risk management. But it's essential to remember that options involve risks and are not suitable for all investors. It's crucial to educate yourself, understand the risks and rewards, and build a solid trading plan. Thanks for watching this video on mastering option trading strategies. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on investment strategies and market insights.